All right, this is going to be the elevator at M&M World in New York City. I tried to talk over the music as much as I could, but look at this sign right here. This is really nice. It's so colorful. We're gonna get in the elevator quick because there is music in here. And this thing was broken down the last time when I came here, but thankfully this elevator is working. So we're gonna let people off. We're gonna get in quick and try to avoid that music. But anyways, we're gonna go third floor. What floor would you like, sir? The second floor. All right. All right, you have a great day, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, there you go. This is going up.
Yep.
Are you going up?
Yep.
All right. I thought you were going down. I'm sorry.
That's all right.
I did not know there was a third floor. Me neither. Must be fun.
This thing's insanely busy.
Sorry.
We're gonna go ahead and get off here. Interesting call button. The music is apparently not as loud as on this floor than on the other ones. But yeah, sorry I have to talk a lot, but that music, I had to get in the elevator quick because we all know how YouTube copyright systems are these days, and I'm sure everybody understands that well. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the wait time, so I will start recording once we get back in the elevator cabin. Hopefully no one piles in this time. All right, here it is. This thing is insanely busy. Like lots of people are rapidly piling on this thing. I really want to show this cab. I love that big M&M face. All right, finally we got it to ourselves. Got a good chance to get a good cab view of this thing. I really love the back face. Look at this thing. I really want to show the cap of this elevator. I really do. These are your fixtures. Anyways, I'm not going to talk over the music. I might as well just put over an airplane sound effect. Oh, the music is not so loud on this floor. Surprised. I just like elevators, that's all.
Yeah, that's good.
All right, that's gonna be it.